Hi everyone, let's discuss about the levels of testing today. I'm trying to explain the different levels in a very simple video. Hope you will enjoy it. So the 4 levels of testing are unit testing, system integration testing, and acceptance testing. What is unit testing? Unit testing is one of the first stages of testing. So once a code is created, the developer tests the snippets of code that is developed. The units of code or the snippets of code are tested in isolation just to check the program or the code works on its own. What is system testing? Once the unit testing is successful, the code will then progress to the next level of testing. So when 2 or more system components are interacting to achieve a combined function, the individual units have to be tested together to ensure that the system works as a whole. So the detail and complexity of this test level depends on the complexity of the system on hand. What is system integration testing? System integration testing is generally done once the system testing and the previous unit testing phases have been successful. So this involves testing the interactions between 2 or more systems. To give you an example, an e-commerce system will be using a website, a payment system, and an order management system. The interactions between these systems have to be tested thoroughly and have to be validated successfully at the end of this testing phase. What is acceptance testing? Acceptance testing is one of the last phases of testing. So as you know by the name, this is generally done by the business users or the operational users prior to deploying the change to the production system. This is mainly tested by the end users for whom the product was designed for. So the requirements are validated during the acceptance testing phase, and it is done independently by the users or with minimal support from system specialists. Post-implementation checks. So this is not considered as a part of testing. However, testing teams supports post-implementation checks by the business users immediately after the deployment of the solution happens to the production environment. So this gives confidence to the end users prior to deploying the software to a large number of audience. So I've just go to the next slide. Once the system is successfully deployed to the production, the end users check that the system is up, reports issues if any, which is managed actively and resolved with the highest priority by the implementation team. Furthermore, if there are any issues, it is tracked by the incident management team, and the support team tries to resolve it based on the priority of the incident. So that's all I have wanted to discuss today. Thank you for listening, and we'll meet through another video.